Boston police now being asked to revisit its U visa policy. Those are visas given to some undocumented crime victims, allowing them to stay in this country legally while helping local law enforcement prosecute cases. The city's Commission on Immigrant Affairs says APD is denying too many applications. KXAN's Leslie Rangel spoke with a woman who was denied and is asking for a second chance.
I felt the weapon on my throat, and I thought, well, he's going to shoot me now.
Alberta Garcia Plata is happy to be alive. 6 months ago, she was pregnant with her son, Naum. She was robbed at gunpoint near her Austin apartment.
He said, "Give me your purse or I'll shoot." He pointed the gun towards my kids and my husband.
She reported the crime to Austin police. They took a report and told her about the U visa.
Victims of crime can apply for this visa in order to maintain residency here in the United States.
Since Garcia Plata is undocumented, she applied for the visa, hoping she could help catch the robber, but she was denied.
The police department said that they did not think that prosecution would be possible in the case. I take that to mean that they don't have any leads.
Garcia Plata's attorney says he doesn't understand why she wasn't approved.
From my perspective, there's not a limit on the amount of certifications that APD can issue. It costs them nothing. I think they should do it.
He's right about the cost, and the city's Commission on Immigrant Affairs is asking APD to review portions of why they deny certain cases.
We look at every one of the cases very carefully. We always offer it if it looks like it's going to aid the investigation.
It's not clear if Garcia Plata would have been granted a visa. That would be up to the federal government. She's just asking for another chance.
I just want hope. Hope. Now that they've denied me, oh God, what will happen to my children if I get deported?
In Austin, Leslie Rangel, KXAN News.
Austin Police has not yet started revisiting the way they approve certifications for U visa. They are waiting for the Commission's recommendations to be approved by the City Council and then given to police. APD only approves a fraction of the U visa requests they receive. Some are referred to other agencies. Some are denied because the type of crime does not qualify for protection. Applicants refuse to cooperate or have criminal behavior. Other law enforcement agencies, prosecutors, and judges can also approve certification of applications. That's just the first step. Ultimately, it's Homeland Security who will get the final say, and even then, the federal government only grants 10,000 U visas nationwide every year. There's already a backlog of more than 86,000 applications. Immigration attorneys tell us right now the wait is about 2 to 3 years.